What did you do in the
Bularda-
bugdoy against the weeds?
Hosillarda qanday
Siz
bug'doyda?
bug'doyda nima begonotaga qarshi nima ishlab berasizlar?
Begona o'tlarga qarshi granstatlar ishlab beramiz.
Bug'doy paytida.
Bug'doy paytida. Bug'doyda o'sib chiqqandan keyin biz ko'rib chiqamiz, qanaqa o't chiqadi. Imенно o'sha o'tlarga qarshi ishlab beramiz.
Because they wait until it grow up and then they use the herbicide against all this kind of weeds.
Yeah.
Unga qarshi, unga yaqin o'tlar chiqa boshlaydi. Bahorda bug'doy bilan birga. O'shani biz ham zangga qarshi, ham o'tga qarshi bir marta ishlab beramiz. Shu bilan bug'doy o'sib ketadi.
And springtime they sprayed also fungicide, also herbicide together that time.
Fungicide also?
Yeah. Zambur bo'yicha do'stlar qarshi to'g'ri.
Zang, zamburu, o'sha grip, boshqa kasalliklar o'zi aniq bo'la boshlaydi-da.
Yeah, and also fungicide too against of the mushrooms and the spores.
Bu yerda g'alla qancha hosil beradi?
So, how many yield you can get from the wheat normally?
Here
No,
or-
you.
My best was 9.1, but in a normal year 8.
Mana eng zo'r hosil olgan 901 tonna bo'lgan. O'rtacha men 8 tonna olaman.
8 tonna o'rtacha. Средний это 80 центров будет, да?
Да.
80 центров урожается.
It's rare.
Bu real holati.
Not I'm the best, yeah.
Bu yerda ham xuddi shunday 80 sentr biz hosil oldik. Imенно mana o'sha maydonda. Bundan boyun ham aytdim, 10 yil, 15 yillar oldin bu yerda hech narsa bo'lmagan.
They also got 8 tons from this field.
It's good for speaking. It's very good.
Yangi urug'lar keldi, hammasi Rossiyadan olib kelganmiz yangi urug'larni.
And also new kind of the seeds they brought from Russia.
As we heard yesterday, maybe these new types can do it, yeah.
Yeah.
It's new
Because
because
chunki biz ham shuni eshitamiz, odamlardan balki masdan ham urug'i yaxshi sifatli bo'lgani uchun yaxshi hosildor.
before I'm 13 years in Uzbekistan, when we had 6 or more than 6.5, it was very good.
Yeah, chunki
now we
shuncha
can get
yildan beri O'zbekistonda va oldin 6.5 tonna yetilgan paytda o'sha yaxshi natija bo'ladi. Endi hozirgi kunda ko'zimiz 8 tonna olsam bo'lar ekan.
So, yeah, in wheat, it's true. To fight against herbs is easy. We have many good products.
Yeah.
And it's true, in the beginning of the spring, when they are small,
Yeah.
treat them. That's true. But
Yeah.
then you can clean the field.
Aytganingizda bahorda o'sgan paytida yana yaxshi gerbitsidlarni foydalab ularga qarshi ishlasa bo'ladi.
And think about after harvesting, yeah?
Yeah. Ya'ni qaytaramiz,
After wheat.
o'rim bo'lgandan keyin glifosat bilan to'liq dalani tozalab, hamma begonotaga qarshi kurashishimiz kerak.
Keyin mayli.
Okay. Well,
Traktorda olib kelamiz hozir. Traktorni ko'raylik qani bo'lsa.
Let's bring the tractor and plow.